welcome to all the participants, my partners, that is Priyadarshini College of Engineering, for giving Confab that belief and that opportunity that we can collab together, come together and bring in that is much more impactful. Right. Secondly, I would like to thank my another partner, Guru Nanak Institute of Management, Maninder ma'am. She's such a darling that whenever I have given, expressed my ideas to her that this is how we are coming up with a conference or with this FDP, she has been a support to me, to Confab, and I thank her from the depth of my heart. The other one is Kumar, Goel Institute of Technology, Virender sir, for showing so much of trust in whatever we are doing. And we wanted that the partners should always feel that they are in safe and in a fruitful journey. And thank you so much, RKGIT. The other one is our foreign partners, that is India European School of Data Science and Technology. Right? Kanika ma'am, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity, that you are also a pillar and a support, that whenever needed, you are there and you believe in Confab and believe in our trust and what we are trying to create. And each conference and each program that we are coming up, you give us that kind of support. The last one is Switzerland Rushford Business School, that is Switzerland. Thank you so much, sir, for believing, and you have given a ray of hope and light to all these conferences, that across the globe we can be partners, we can collaborate, and we can be fruitful and good partners to each other. So thank you so much, my partners, for being there and giving us that support. Initially, when we had come up with this idea, we had Dr. Nitesh with us, and we were discussing with him that how we should bring in the participants and help them in their research. It is not just a conference where they can bring in their work and just put in their work. It is, we wanted to take them through the publication process, and hence before that we held a workshop where they could attend and learn the process of publishing in good journals. So this is how we bought this conference thoughtfully, that how the researchers can bring their work out, and not just on the papers and in the books of publishers, but also take their research work to their colleagues, to the classrooms, and teach that this is how we have bought our work on black and white, and this is how we want to bring it in work or in practice. So our only motive of Confab is we bring in the work that is practically and impactfully worked in the society and in our fields, just not in books and just not in publishing houses. Now, when I'll be very blunt, that whenever I have gone through, I've been a teacher for 12 years, and now also I continue to teach. I keep asking the students, what is one thing that you want from the teachers, you want from the school, you want from the school principals or directors over here? They just have just one answer: ma'am, if these books can tell us or imprint, some kind of play, that how we can use it in our daily life. This is what the student says, that how we can bring whatever we are studying into practice and how we can become skillful. This is what Confab is doing, that we will move on the path of bringing things skillfully to the students, to the faculties, and bring out the best. And it is my dream and my personal dream that I want Indian researchers on top of the list, where I see other researchers and scientists there. So I personally, I want my teachers my faculties, my own research work. When I was doing my PhD, I thought I would bring some kind of destruction and disruption for while I'm doing it for the SMEs. But the system is so, the procedure is so that the work would not come out until unless you don't have an IIT or an IIM stand. This is what my personal goal is, that all the faculties, all the researchers, though not having an IIT or IIM tag, they still can be good researchers, impactful researchers, and their research work can also contribute to the progression of the country and their institute and the teachers and the students. This is what I believe. This is my personal goal, and this is what Confab is helping all the faculties and researchers to move in that path. The second thing is that I want to bring forward that it gives me a great pleasure and honor to tell you that Confab is in tie-ups with two MOUs. One MOU is with the UK research firm, where we both are going to come together. They are going to fund the research institutes that are in India and elsewhere. Not only in India, but elsewhere also. They are going to come together. We are going to find out those institutes where research faculty wants to research over something. They have that passion, they have that caliber to do it, but they are failing because of the fund. So we are in tie-ups with the UK Research Connect, where they are going to come in. They are going to fund those institutes, those teachers, and take their research forward. So this gives me an utmost pleasure that we are going to be together and working together in the next month. And we are going to search and hunt for those institutes and those universities who are going to give us good research forecasts and research things, that this is what our institute wants to do, and this is what the funds they require, and this is what the faculties will require. So we are there to come and help them. The other good news that we are in tie-ups, we are having an MOU with the MSME India. That is, we are going to train the academy as well as the MSME, bring them together, where the faculties will go to the MSMEs, study what are their problems, what do they do, what is the recent thing, build up case studies and send it to the research and develop new things. And we are going to train the faculties in turn how you can bring in and help the MSMEs and bring in new models, and whatever your research is, how you can apply it there. So this is the two MOUs that Confab is going to sign. We are going to be with the MSME India, and we will be most probably will be together live by the end of August. And then we have UK, London, there's this London firm, which is known as Research Connect. Now they are going to come with us, and we are going to find in and fund in the Indian and the universities across, whoever needs fund for their whoever needs grants. Rather than funds, I would use the word grants for their further research and get in good research and impactful research, which as I told you, it is my personal goal to achieve. So I wish all the participants all the best. Please give in your best. We are watching you, and I watch very closely when all the paper presentations and everything is being done, because this is my job. I jot down the best researchers, and I know, and we try to bring them on board, get them tied up with us, and then in future we help them tie up with good agencies, good firms, so they can take their research further. One news also I wanted to give you all on this firm, that Confab is again in tie-ups with IIT Delhi, IIT Illuminous Delhi. Now they are also interested to help the researchers that are there in with us, the partner colleges that are going to be with us. So for me, your work is a show over here, and I will watch it very quietly from behind and get them to the best of agencies and to the best of tie-ups we have. We are here to help and to grow. This is my job, and I will not move and shy away from what growth you need in your professional and your personal life. So I wish you all the best. I thank from the bottom of the heart all my 5 partners who have associated themselves with Confab and shown that tremendous trust and belief, and have been a pillar of great platform where we all can come together, collaborate, move forward and grow. Thank you so much, all.